Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How. Today we're showing you how and why Google Ads can help you make an extra $5,000 each month. Online advertisements allow people who may be interested in your products and services to display your advertisements and also filter out people who are not. And if those clicked on your ads, you can track it. Online advertising will also help you to reach potential clients using multiple devices: desktops, laptops, tablet devices, and smartphones. What are the advantages of Google Ads, or why Ads by Google can help in getting another $5,000 a month? Well, before we get into the video, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Smash it! And also leave a dainty like on the video. Google Ads allows you to take advantage of the benefits of online advertising, show your ads to the right people in the right place and at the right time. Google Ads also offers several benefits, but here are how Google Ads will help you make money. Let's begin. Firstly, it targets your ads. Targeting allows you to display your ads and show them relevant advertisements to people with specific interests, namely to people interested in their products and services. Google Ads offers various targeting methods, which we will discuss in more detail later. But first, here's a look at your choices with online ads, which can further target your marketing campaigns using keywords, words or sentences related to your services and products, using the search for such terms, or visits to other relevant websites for showing your advertisements. It uses the next ad placement, shows your advertisements on the Google search and display networks for results, Google page and advertisements. Language, age, and location are also there. You can select your customer's age, location, and language. There are also days, times, and frequency. For example, show your announcements during certain times or days of the week and see how often your announcements appear. Lastly, there are devices. You can view your advertisements on all devices and specify which devices and when your ads are displayed. Secondly, it controls your costs. Google Ads lets you control how your money is spent. No minimum is available, and you can choose how much each month, each day, and announcement you spend, but of course, you'll only pay when someone clicks your ad. Thirdly, it measures your success. If someone clicks your ad with Google Ads, you will know. You can also track it if you clicked on your ad and then did something valuable for your company. Your product has been purchased, downloaded, your application, or called in an order. When you see which ads are clicked on and which do not, you will see quickly where you can invest in your campaign. That, in turn, can boost the return of your investment. You can obtain further valuable information, including the average cost of advertising that leads to online purchases or telephone calls for your customers. And you can use analytical tools to learn your customers' shopping habits or how they tend to look for their product before purchasing. Are you already surprised with the benefits that Google Ads provides to your business and your work to make extra money a month? Well, keep watching the video until the end to know more about these benefits and get an advantage for your business. Also, at this moment, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos we upload. Moving on, next it will manage your campaigns. Google Ads also provides you with tools for easy account management and monitoring. For example, a Client My Center MCC account is a powerful tool to save you time when you manage multiple Google announcement accounts. It lets you view your account from just one location and manage all your Google Ads. Google Ads Editor is also an offline management application for your Google Ads account, which allows you to make changes to your account quickly and conveniently. You can download your account information with Google Ads Editor, edit your campaigns offline, and upload your ad modifications to Google Ads. You can also manage, edit, or view multiple accounts simultaneously with Google Ads Editor. Copy or move items between ad groups and campaigns, and undo and redo multiple changes during editing campaigns. You can also optimize quality, supermarket your competitors' ads, creatively optimize for mobile platforms, reload your remarketing conversion, use in-market segments, execute ads for cheaper link in Google Ads via Google Display Networks, and hack your Google campaign into Bing Ads.
And requirement for AdWords. When you run video ads with Google, you'll reach potential customers on YouTube and across, so you're speaking to an audience that's already interested in what you have to offer. And because you decide where your ads appear.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.